day is tomorrow, but don't panic if you're waiting until the very last minute to file. There's some last-minute tips that can still save you a lot of time.
Yeah, I don't know. There might be another word for last minute at this point, right, Cheryl? Cheryl Casone from our sister network, Fox Business, here to help. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, guys. Well, the good news, you've got one more day if you haven't filed your tax return. The bad news, you've got one more day to file your tax return. Because April 15th hit on Saturday, and today is Emancipation Day, an observed holiday in Washington, D.C. Tomorrow is the deadline. If you're panicking to get your return, though, done, and you plan to file a simple return, there's some free software out there from companies like TurboTax, Credit Karma, and H&R Block. But in the case of the last example is for first-time filers, you need to look at the fine print for all of these examples, guys. Unfortunately, scammers are active this year. They pretend to be from the IRS. They're offering to help. They usually call you on the phone. But if anybody starts to ask you for your bank account number, asks for money over the phone, just hang up. They are scammers pretending to be the IRS. Now, there are some last-minute deductions that you should definitely remember. Property taxes for your primary, even your secondary home can be deducted, and even sometimes timeshare. Moving expenses, if it's for your job, student loan interest that you might be paying still, and then charitable donations all should be deducted. Keep your receipts, of course. Now, a popular option is to file an extension. It's Form 4868. It gives you until August 15th to file, so it's a new deadline. Of course, you want to double-check your work and make copies of what you are sending in. Guys, roughly 30% of tax filers still hadn't filed as of early April.
You can always tell the people that are going to pay versus the people that are going to get money back. I file as early as is humanly possible. Just count on that check to come
I did, too.
I just did mine Friday, so I don't know what that says.
Yeah.
But at least I did get it in.
You're early, at least. Yeah. All right.
Sort of.
Kind of.
Yeah, thanks, Cheryl.
You bet, guys.